Hey my loves, and welcome back to Own Your Beauty. It's your girl Huda, and I am so excited for today's topic. We are always on the hunt for the next big thing in skincare, right? We spend so much on serums, creams, treatments, all chasing that perfect radiant glow. But what if I told you that one of the most powerful secrets to luminous, healthy skin isn't hiding in an expensive bottle? What if it's been sitting in your kitchen, maybe even in the back of your refrigerator this whole time? I know it sounds a little crazy, but trust me on this one. Today, we are diving deep into a totally unexpected beauty hero. It's a vegetable. I know, but hear me out. This vibrant, deep red root is packed with so much goodness that it can literally transform your skin from the inside out, the outside in. We're talking about beetroot. Prepare to be amazed by its hidden powers. We're going to unlock all its secrets together and show you how to get that stunning, lit-from-within glow, using something so simple and natural. So, get ready to rethink everything you thought you knew about your skincare routine. Grab a notepad or just get ready to screenshot. So, what is the big secret? What makes this simple vegetable so magical for our skin? It's all about what's inside. Beetroot is literally bursting with vitamins and minerals that your skin absolutely loves. First off, it's loaded with vitamin C. We all know vitamin C is a skincare queen. It helps to fight off those annoying free radicals from pollution and sun damage that try to age our skin. Beetroot is also packed with iron and antioxidants, like betalains, which give it that gorgeous, deep red color. These antioxidants are like your skin's personal bodyguards, protecting from environmental stress and preventing premature wrinkles. The iron content is incredible for improving blood circulation, more oxygen to your skin cells, meaning a natural, rosy blush no highlighter can truly replicate. Beetroot contains folate, which helps with cell repair and renewal, helping your skin heal faster from breakouts or daily wear and tear. It's also known for anti-inflammatory properties, great if you struggle with acne or irritation. It detoxifies, brightens, protects, and rejuvenates, a holistic approach that addresses many common concerns at once. Think of it as nature's perfect recipe for flawless skin. So, no, it's not just some random myth. There is real science behind why beetroot is so beneficial. Stick around. Next, we're making a simple beetroot face mask you can do at home. Okay, my loves, now for the super fun part. It's time to get our hands dirty and make our very own DIY beetroot face mask. You only need a few simple ingredients you probably already have: beetroot, plain yogurt, and honey. First, you'll need one small beetroot. You can either grate it very finely, or, for a smoother texture, pop it in a blender to make a puree. Next, you'll need about 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt. It contains lactic acid to gently exfoliate. Finally, grab half a teaspoon of honey, a natural humectant and antibacterial. That's it. Just 3 simple ingredients. Take your grated beetroot or puree and place it in a clean bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of yogurt and half a teaspoon of honey into the bowl with the beetroot. Now mix until you have a smooth, beautifully pink paste. Make sure you've washed your hands and utensils. We don't want any bad bacteria on our face. It looks good enough to eat, but trust me, save it for your face. Using your fingertips or a clean mask brush, apply an even layer all over your face and neck, avoiding the eye and mouth area. Relax. Let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. You might feel a slight tingling. Totally normal. That's the vitamin C and lactic acid doing their thing. After the time is up, gently rinse off with lukewarm water and pat dry with a soft towel. Follow up with your favorite moisturizer and say hello to your new glow. Try this on a Sunday evening for an instant boost of radiance. Your skin will thank you. The beetroot magic doesn't have to end with just a mask. One of my favorite hacks is a natural lip and cheek tint. Dab a tiny bit of fresh beetroot juice onto your lips and the apples of your cheeks. A little goes a long way. Blend quickly with your fingertip for a sheer, long-lasting stain. Another way is drinking it. Start your day with fresh beetroot juice to help purify your blood and flush toxins. Blend with carrots, apples, or a little ginger for a detoxifying, skin-loving morning boost. For dark circles, dip chilled cotton pads in beetroot juice. Squeeze excess. Place over closed eyes for 10 minutes to reduce puffiness and lighten under eyes. You can also make a simple toner. Equal parts beetroot juice and rose water in a spray bottle. Keep it in the fridge and spritz for an instant refresh and pore tightening lift. So there you have it. The incredible beauty secrets of the humble beetroot. Brightening vitamin C, protective antioxidants, easy DIY masks, tints, drinks, and toners. Natural, affordable, and effective. Go to your kitchen, grab a beetroot, and experiment. Beauty should be playful. Do a small patch test first if you have sensitive skin. Share your gorgeous beetroot glows with me. Tag, own your beauty. You are powerful, you are beautiful. Own your beauty, one beetroot at a time. I'll see you in the next one, my loves.